guys, just got back from Marshall's and today is a big shopping haul because I went to TJ Maxx, I went to Rush, I went to Home Goods, also check everything else, and then also I ended up at Marshall's and got a lot of good stuff there. I was getting supplies for the kitchens and then also restroom and bathrooms and then organizers and stuff like that. Most of our supplies are for kitchen, but I decided to actually return a couple of them because it's just not really match the whole kitchens. But I found this from Marshall's and I found it at TJ Maxx a long time ago, but I didn't get it because I didn't really have a big place to stay. So I'm about to show you this one. It's so cute and just really a set for 30 bucks. So this one is Caddy Relaxing Essential Sets. It is cost around, what's the price? Oh, $30. Definitely worth it. Not really sure yet, but let's open it. So slowly go down. Let me slide down. Right here. Oh shit. Ooh. So here I have wine glass and also a aromatic candle. So first thing first, let's smell the candle because I love candle. Really relaxed. So it's lavender and vanilla. Also the wine glass, so good. Ooh, not good. Is this the weird thing or what's up with this? Because it's not on the straight line. I do pay attention for small little thing like this, to be honest. So, it's still a cute glass though. And also is this one right here. Should I open it? I don't know, what is this? Is that for bathtub? Caddy. Let me try to open it. It's kind of wet. It's really good. Oh, okay. This is so cute. So this part is slidable. And this can expand it out, collapse it. This definitely not a color that I like, but it's still cute. And then also this is the double coated tissue tape for what? We have the instructions in the back. Okay, so in here, Bath Caddy, no slip silicone grip. So they give us the grip. Elevate bath time, features slot for your phone, book or tablets, wipe clean as needed. Flush bar headband is perfect for keeping hair out of the way while you read, mask or exfoliate. 100% polyester, hand wash with warm water and soap as needed. Washcloth, soft cloth for gentle exfoliating. 100% cotton, Hand wash with warm water and soap as needed. White glass, stunning temperature with white glass. Candle smoothing ambience candle lights. This is definitely cute. And then let me show you guys from this different angle. So in here they have, what is this? Oh, so cute. Is this for books or tablets? Oh my god, this is worth the money. And I think this is the space for wine right here. What is this over here? I don't know. But let's go try it on. Put it on the bathtub to see if it's match. So I'm about to go to my bathtub because it's, unfortunately my bathtub is a bit, the color is a little bit different. It's black and gold, but this is wood, but you know, it's always stand out for sure. Let's close this one and then open the door. Okay guys, so my bathtub actually a little bit smaller than expected, so this is not matching at this point, or it's not fit in here. You can see it's like come out all the way, but hopefully I can just reuse this for something else, because this is definitely a great caddy for the bathtub. And also I got this one at Marshall, I believe, for the bath salts with lavender is essentials oil to relax, and I just can't wait to use this because it's so cute and I love it so much. So I will find the way, even though it's not fit at all.